my name is Hailey, and today we're going to be making bison burger sliders. So the things we're going to be needing are a spatula, a bowl with your bison burger meat in it, a plate, seasoned salt, mustard, and barbecue sauce, peppermint, and slider buns. And for the cheese, you can use two types. You can either use sprinkled cheese or you can use American cheese, but we're going to be using both. So first thing, you are going to want to, if you have any bracelets on, you're going to want to take them off because I have some on right now and you take them off real quick. Now, don't put your hands in it yet because we have to add all of this first. So first you're going to add some seasoned salt. And don't add too much of each so it's not over seasoned. Just add a tiny bit of each. Okay, try not to add that too much. Okay, now we're going to add mustard. Sauce and just add tiny bits, not a lot. Well, not tiny bit, but just don't add a lot. That's good. Now I'm gonna add peppermint. Make sure you don't add a lot of this because it's really spicy. Turn it. There we go. They added a little too much, but I like my food spicy, so should be good. Now you're gonna use your hands and mix it. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed. Just gonna make it flat on here, then just gonna use your fingers and kind of cut 4 squares. It's not even. This you could probably use oopsies. Take the meat that you just made, just gonna roll it into a ball, then smash it down. Don't make it too thin, but don't make it too bad, like in the middle, I guess. And since these are sliders, I think I made, yeah, these are sliders, but they're probably gonna shrink up or something. They're probably gonna shrink up, so. Remember, these are sliders, not normal burgers, so you don't want to make them too big. That's probably good size. Okay, now we're gonna make another one. Okay. I like to roll them into a ball and then just smash them down. Makes it easier. And I also forgot to say, but you want your your grill started. Because if you don't have your grill started, you can't sure they're all same size because you don't want burgers that are so big and burgers that are so small. So try to get them closest to the size as you can. I'm trying to get them close as I can as possible, but they're always going to be a little off. Okay, so I'm done. Now we are going to put them on the ground. Okay, the burgers have just finished cooking, and here's what they look like when they're done. Some were the sprinkle cheese, and 4 of them were the American cheese. So they take 10 minutes in all, 5 minutes on each side of the burger. So we're using the buns that I said earlier about. I like ketchup and mustard, but you can put maybe other stuff if you really want to, but that's what I like on my burgers. Ketchup and mustard. Tastes good. Make sure to subscribe, like, and let me know what I should do for my next video. Bye!